This is Shopperhill Reviews. We are here to find the best deals from the bestseller. Automatic Express Coffee Machine American Cafe Maker. You can make coffee, tea and flower tea with it. Dual control switch. Stainless steel with top quality PP. Cups glass coffee pot. Multifunctional coffee spoon with filter. Helps to make the perfect layered coffee, American coffee, fancy coffee, coffee latte, and more. Just 6 steps to make a nice coffee.
Dry burning mode. 1 press 2 stop. Coffee pot steam make the bubble milk frother. Shopperhill presents the best for you. A perfect coffee can change your mood anytime. DMWD 1.5L automatic espresso coffee machine.
Please hit the like button and don't